this is how we Jai from Ask Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can deactivate or delete your Viber account. So how we can do that? We have to go to Viber app in our phone. Here we go, we have Viber, you can see. Go inside to your app. You have to come here, this option, hit this one, it say more. Here you see at the middle setting option, go to setting, very easy. In setting at the top you see account, go inside the account. In account, the last option you see deactivate account. So this is how you can delete your Viber account. I hit this one. You see you have to put your phone number to confirm that you want to delete this account. So put your phone number when you sure hit deactivate account. As you see, confirm here, deactivate account is done. So Viber is gone from your phone. Now you have app of Viber here. Tap this one and hit uninstall. Hit OK button. So we have deleted Viber account. Also we have deleted Viber app. So easy and simple. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.